Alright, Cam and Matt here with a little shop tour for you guys at Fabrication. Let's get started. This is our office. We got our crew chilling. We got a couple products on display. These are our Stainless Bros mufflers and resonators that we really like. Just kind of like some trinkety stuff that kind of shows off what we are about. We got our nice laser cut, or no, plasma cut.
Yeah, we cut that here.
Yeah, powder coated little logo. Just something that pops when you walk into the office. All right, so this is our shop. This is our shop car. It's a.
All right, the tour is over.
This is like a 2014. What year is this?
12.
12. Mitsu Rally Art. Pretty sweet. We've done a lot of stuff to it. Check out our other videos for that. Got our brand new Icon toolbox. We love this thing. Tons of storage in this. Probably way more than we'll need.
That's not true. It's pretty much full.
That's, yeah, it is kind of full. We've got 2 lifts. They're 5-tonners each. Nothing super special there.
They're not 5. They're 10.
10,000 pounds. It's 5
10,000 pounds. You're right. I don't know how to do math. Go ahead.
We got a little English wheel. A little bead roller. We love this thing.
This isn't a little bead roller.
No, it's a massive.
I was gonna say.
And then the Bros double punch press.
That would be our newest, wouldn't it? Our newest thing.
This is our newest thing. Yeah.
It's our newest thing. See, it's still cleanish.
It's the shiniest thing in the shop, probably.
It is.
Over here, I guess. These are the catalytic converter shields that we've been telling you guys about a little bit. These are our bread and butter. We pump these things out. We've got 3 welding booths here. We've got 2 AHP machines and an Everlast. I rock the Everlast. I dig it. This is my bay here. Casey's bay, miscellaneous bay.
Miscellaneous.
Wow.
It's just the extra.
Yeah. You got our Evolution chop saw. This thing rocks. Chews through material. Carbide. Yeah. Little drill press, big drill press. We use 2 separate grinding wheels. This one's stainless only. This one's aluminum only. And if you have to do carbon steel.
We just don't.
Yeah. We got a little sketchy little loft up there.
We don't use that ladder at all.
No.
No.
OSHA, close your eyes.
Yeah.
We do have the approved guardrails up there.
We have OSHA approved guardrails.
Yeah. Just no staircase yet.
I mean, the ladder thing we use. It's always 2 people, never
Yeah.
1 person.
Always a buddy lift on that. Cards. We painted some wheels. All right.
No, we didn't. We tried, and it failed, and we're gonna redo it.
We were gonna plasti dip them, and then we didn't get plasti dip. We got paint.
That's my fault.
So we're kind of stuck with it, but no biggie.
Wait, what about your welder? We didn't get to see it.
Oh yeah. Well, it's kind of tucked out there.
So,
All right, this is the Everlast 325 with the water cooler. This thing is a super solid, just workhorse. All the settings that I'll ever need.
and more.
More, yeah, definitely.
Pipes.
A lot of pipe.
That's just scrap pipe.
Yeah. This is our Bailey bandsaw.
You know, honestly, you asked me what my favorite thing in the shop is. It might be this bandsaw.
Oh yeah.
I love this
This
bandsaw.
thing rocks. I don't know like the specs on it or anything, but you can swing this to do like 60-degree miters, which is crazy. More than we will ever need. Cuts all the pipe we ever want.
Sometimes I feel like we need 2 though.
Just works. Yeah.
We'll save that for another time though.
Yeah. We don't use this thing a whole lot.
Yeah, we do. That's a lie.
This is what we flat sand. And I should say, anytime we do a flange, we flat sand it. We just don't do a lot of flanges. We
Yeah, we're
try to
starting
stick to V-band.
We like V-bands.
Yeah, sexy. Just a big ass belt sander. And another forever shield.
Scrap. More scrap.
A lot of scrap. More scrap. More scrap.
Oh, tell us about that.
This is our liquid argon tank. We just got this in last week, 2 weeks ago, something like that. Hasn't been long, but we really enjoyed it.
It's been like 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even with the little production that we do, like we cannot run this thing out of gas.
Well, we haven't yet.
Well, but there's no like bottlenecks, you know.
Yeah.
Like, that's one thing that we were kind of worried about, but there's no way it just pumps out gas. It's purging right now. I can maybe. There we go.
Yeah, suck on that.
We're kind of done with it. So you know, I don't know. This is Dave's CNC plasma cutter. It's a
Dave, what are you cutting here?
plasma cam. Artsy stuff, man.
Wind chimes.
I can picture it.
These are kind of cute.
Oh, yeah. Little dragon claw things. Yeah. We got a time saver. We got some kind of jerry rigged air handling. It's all right.
Yeah, yeah.
It ain't no
Don't
big
look at
thing.
the. Yeah.
And then this is all Dave's stuff.
A lot of metal.
A lot of metal. We go through it.
Metal. I wonder how many sheets of stainless there are there, but there's a lot.
There's probably at least 25 on there.
Yeah.
We just filled it today. This is Dave's latest toy. What year is this? 50.
Is it older than everybody in the
I
shop?
never figured out an exact year.
Definitely older than everybody in the shop, for sure.
50, late 40s, early 50s.
Can we nickname it Gramps?
Grams. But no, this is when we actually made things well, so this thing rocks. Not running yet, but it it will rock.
This thing rocks and we made stuff well. It doesn't work.
In blue.
We do production bending on this for the Forever Shields, and I use it from time to time. It's one of my favorite things in the shop. I love sheet metal work, so this thing rocks. We heading on to the parts department?
We can. Oh yeah, we got that piece of equipment now too.
Oh yeah, this is our brand new.
Oh, it's so lubed up. Oh, shit. Oh my god, you guys. How much did you guys do to it? I don't even want to touch it.
Joey should put a lot of lube on.
God damn. So anyway, this is our secret.
Yeah, we got some just stock of Forever Shields down here. We got all of our tubing, 3" to I think 1.5.
I think I actually wanted 1/4.
And we got some 4" like sprinkled around a little bit.
And 3.5 sprinkled around too. And 3 1/4. No, and 2 3/4 and 2 1/4.
Damn.
Weird sizes.
Yeah.
Those are all custom orders though.
Or fancy mufflers.
More mufflers.
2 in, 2 out, kind of oddball stuff.
Gotta have R2 in the video. Now it's gonna get taken down.
All of the bends, 90s flex pipes that a person could ever want. I hope I didn't dent that. Yeah, V-bands for days. Love these things. Even though that's not a stainless bro set. Oh well.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
No, that one wasn't.
It was a male and female, didn't it?
Yeah, it was weird.
If it was a male female, it was stainless bro.
Alright. I'm wrong. I had it in my hands. but
This
I'm-
we
I
should
know
say
what's
this
wrong.
apartment is in the middle of getting set up still.
Yeah, this is a new development for us.
Yep.
These are all ARC 7 parts.
Messy. Shipping and not receiving. Ooh, tape. Oh,
Look at the fancy tape.
logo. Sheesh.
Oh God, kind of choking me. Well, that's kind of the place.
I think that is kind of the place.
Yeah.
Right. Bam.
Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that fun stuff.
Till next time.
See ya.